Choice today with the 2013 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, skid plate package, speed control, front license plate bracket, front wheel independent suspension, Sirius satellite radio, security system. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.